The Chebei Dragon Boat culture has a history of at least 150 years, and it is a standard representation of Cantonese dragon boat culture. Currently, 46 dragon boats in this village, the most among all villages in Guangzhou. Hello everyone, I'm Bayang. The Dragon Boat Festival is here. Right now, I'm in Chebei Village. It is a village located in Tianhe District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province. It is a village filled with dragon boat culture. And as you can see, right behind me, there is a dragon boat race. So you know I cannot miss out on that. So, let's go check it out. Yeah, let's go, let's go! You can do it! Let's go everyone! Fighting! Let's go! Woo! It has been 3 years since the last dragon boat race, and now that it is back, people can't wait to see it again. I was just talking with the villagers here. What I didn't expect was that this river actually used to be dirty and black. In 2017, the villagers, led by the river chief, worked together to turn the river into what it is today. Rivers and dragon boats have connected the villagers in this area, and there is a saying in Chebei that states, "As we are in the same boat on the same river, we forge ahead in unity." The Chebei Dragon Boat scenery on the 3rd day of May of every year is also listed as a provisional level intangible cultural heritage. And I got to come and experience it next time. I wonder if I have the chance to try the dragon boat rice. It is said that Chebei is also planning to collaborate with Lingnan, a city in France, to create a fusion between its traditional dragon boat culture and the light festival in Lyon, so that they can finally shine on an international stage. Now, isn't that powerful? Well, enough said. I'm gonna get back to the dragon boat race, alright? So, bye-bye, see you next time.